In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot this model Bryant furnace. I am getting a code 31. You can see here it's after a 2-second delay is when you count your blinks. So right after this delay, 1, 2, 3, and you get another blink, so it's code 31. And you go over to your electrical panel and look up code 31. You can see here it is pressure switch, do not close or open. So the pressure switch is this here. We're gonna go ahead and replace that. Usually when your furnace is not working correctly, it's either your pressure switch, your limit switch, or your roll out flame switch, which is right there. So pressure switch basically make sure there's not odd pressure coming backfire, just like gas, wherever. So that's why it's a safety feature. Same thing with limit switch, that helps control or monitor the flame or overheating. The flame spreads out, so that help controls that. And this is also helps monitors the flame and the overheating. So you got pretty much a lot of these limit switches are safety feature built into the furnace. It's going to take about a couple minutes to fire up. Usually first stage you got the blower, and then you got your inducer here that turns on. After your inducer, the blowers, igniters, they turn on. So this is on, so we'll wait here. Here's your LED right now. It's blinking. It's delayed, and you want to count 1, 2. So code 12, you can see here, which is a normal code. Blower on after power up, so that's normal code. And here it goes. Getting solid light, but the burner is not kicking on. Oh, there it goes. Let's see, it's working. So that was the issue. Thanks for watching, guys, and that's how you fix it. I'm gonna go over the 3 components that usually go out in your furnace. Understanding these 3 components will save you a lot of money having to get a technician come out, okay? So first one, guys, first component or switch is an air pressure switch, which is this thing, and it's located right here in the furnace. You can see right in front when you open the electrical panel, okay? Now, the air pressure switch, just cover a little bit of understanding of it, is a safety device that monitor airflow to prevent hazard, like ensure proper venting of exhaust gases. So pretty much it's a safety feature. All these components I'm covering, it's gonna be pretty much a safety feature that help prevent furnace from overheating or anything bad happening, right? The next one is a limit switch, which is this thing right here, guys. And the limit switch is located right there. You can see right in the back. So again, all these are very easy to access. You can change them out, swap them out. But a furnace limit switch is a safety device that prevents overheating by shutting off the burners if the temperature gets too high, okay? So that's what that one does. Now the next one is a roll out switch, which is this one right here. And this is located up here in this furnace. This is a Bryant furnace, guys. So if you are asking what model is this, let me zoom in for you guys. It's a Bryant furnace. Now, pretty much all the furnace are designed similar with the components, but of course the style, the engineering structure of it is different. But your components, like your safety feature, all the furnace will have all three of these. But the roll-out switch is a safety device that monitors for excess heat up here near the burner. So you can see this is where the Bryant furnace burner is, and hence the roll-out switch is right there, okay? So with my furnace, I'm getting a cold, like I showed you earlier, I'm getting a cold, what is it, 30, yeah, 31. So I know my limit switch is bad. And I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with this. And you can tell also if your limit switch is bad, is you can do a voltage test, or just take this out and blow in it. Because if you blow in it, hope my light went off here. Let me turn my light back on. How can you tell if your limit switch is bad? Pretty much you can take it apart and blow in it, and you hear it. If it's hard, how can you tell if your limit switch is bad? A couple ways you can determine if it's bad is you can blow in it, and if you can't hear it flapping, because where there's a pressure in there, it goes back and forth. If you can't hear it flapping, that means it's bad. It's locked up and the electrical components out. Like this one, I know that because I took it out. I tried to blow it, I didn't hear anything. But you can hear, if you can hear flapping, it's working, okay? Same thing with all these. You can use a voltage test to determine they're bad or not, okay? And on this flame roll, usually there's a press the center reset. And if that doesn't work, that means you have to test it, do a voltage test, or just replace it. But in this case, I know it's my pressure switch because I'm getting a cold 31. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that right now.